If you want to see how I achieve this cute look, then keep on watching. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a cute half up, half down look using clip-ins. The clip-ins that I am using are from Heritage 1933, and I will leave all the information where you can purchase these clip-ins, as well as my discount code in the description box, so make sure you check it out. So again, I'm doing a half up, half down style. I have already put a ponytail in the front, so I'm just adding the clip ends to the back of my hair. Now, installing clip ends are very simple. You basically open up the clip, insert it into your hair, and close the clip. I do have several clip in videos. I will link them up above and put them in the description box as well. So I thought I had enough clip ends installed, but once I started feeling around, I noticed that there was a section that was missing some clip ends, so I'm just going to go in and add a few more. I always like to start with the longer clip ends at the back and then work my way up and use the smaller ones to fill in where needed. So now that the clip-ins are installed in the back, I'm just going to untwist my leave out and blend it in. So to define my leave out and to blend my hair a little bit better, I'm going in with my TGIN mousse from the Curls and Roses collection. I'll also leave information on this collection in the description box. So now I'm going to add one clip-in to my ponytail to give it some more volume and so that it can match the clip-ins that I've installed in the back. This is a 4-clip clip-in, but I only have the first and the last clip opened, and because it makes it easier to install it when you have the middle two already closed up, because I'm only opening up and attaching the ends to my hair, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to do some adjusting to the bun and add some hairpins to secure it in place. Now, I normally stop here with my half up, half down style, but today I am going to add a bang. So excited to try this out. So I'm going in with a 2-clip clip-in, and I am putting it right underneath where I have the bun at. So I'm installing 3 of those clips, and then I am going to cut it up a little bit to frame my face and so that the bang is not so long in my eyes. And yeah, let's see what this is going to look like. And here is the finished look. Definitely loving this style. I went ahead and added a few jewelry pieces to the bun, but the leave out is blended so well with these clip-ins. Definitely feeling this style. Love these clip-ins. I've used them at least 5 to 6 times, had them for over a year, and they are still so bomb. So again, I will leave my discount code and the link to where you can purchase these clip-ins. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video because I definitely enjoyed making it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Hope I provided you with some hair inspiration today, and I will see you in my next video.